Hello friends, I am Hemant Kumar Kelkar and I am watching you all. Welcome to my channel Special for You today. I have brought for you Lakshmi in the house, which means ways to get money. Let's see what they are. If you want prosperity at home, follow these 5 rules. Prosperity is an auspicious state in which any commodity is available in abundance, such as being more than necessary. It means that the food should be enough to satisfy the members of the household as well as the guest who comes from outside and has more money than is necessary. Let's see how to thrive at home. Agnihotra karma should be performed in 2 ways. First, whatever food we eat, we should first offer it to Agni. Food cooked by fire has the right of fire, first of all. The second is to know the ritual of yajna and perform homa. To learn to give, it is the law of creation that you get twice as much as you give. If you hold on to money and food, it will escape. Do not wash your hands after eating. Also, never put food on the plate. After eating, the plate should never be placed under or on top of the kitchen stein, bed, or table. Clearing it on time. There are some more rules like this that will always keep the house flourishing. Friends, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon and turn on all notifications so that you get the information first.